Hello friends, today we are going to discuss another problem on the chapter magnetic effects of electric current. So the problem says that a proton, deuterion and a alpha particle are accelerated to the same potential difference and they enter a region of uniform magnetic field moving at right angles to the magnetic field. Compare the radius of the circular path. So just a prerequisite that you need to know is that for a proton the charge is positive q and the mass is 1 amu. Same for the deuterion, the charge is positive q and 2 amu. For the alpha particle we have charge as 2q and mass as 4 amu. So to compare, first we can say that the first of all we know that they are accelerated to the same potential difference. So we can say that since they are accelerating to the same potential difference, so the force experienced by the particle would be q e. E is the electric field produced by that difference of the voltage and q is the charge on the particle. So we have acceleration is equals to q of the particle, electric field that is constant, and mass of the particle. So now using the third equation of Newton, we have v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So v square, taking u square to be 0, we are expecting that particle to start from initial from the rest. So we have 2 into acceleration is this, so q charge on the particle, electric field upon mass of the particle dot distance traveled by the particle. This would also be a constant and we have under root and we cut the square over here and put a under root sign over there. So we have velocity, and now for the radius of the path we know that the radius of the path is mv upon qb. So mass of the particle, velocity of the particle, charge on the particle and magnetic field. Now mass of the particle times velocity, which we just found out, 2 q of particle dot electric field upon mass of particle into distance upon charge on the particle and magnetic field. So since terms are constant, so we can actually just cut these out and we can say that a root sign comes over here and a root sign comes over here. So we have under root mp dot 2 es upon under root qp dot b. Now this is a constant and these are also constant, so they don't have an effect on the comparison of the radius. So we can say that the radius of the particle is directly proportional to under root mp upon qp. Now just finding out the radius. So the radius of the proton would be mass under root mass upon under root charge, which is equal to 1. The radius of the deuterion, proton and deuterion, the radius of the deuterion is under root 2 upon under root 1, so it is actually under root 2. The radius of alpha is under root 4 upon under root 2, so this is root 2. Now we have, so we can say that the radius of proton is to radius of deuterion is to radius of alpha particle is 1 is to root 2 is to root 2. So we can say that this is the relation among the particles. Thank you for watching.